Signs your Amana furnace needs a Maintenace check. Regular maintenance is essential to ensure the efficient and safe operation of your Amana furnace. Here are some signs that indicate your furnace may need a maintenance check. Decreased heating efficiency. If you notice that your furnace is not heating your home as effectively as before, it could be a sign of a problem. Reduced heating efficiency may be due to issues with the burner, heat exchanger, or other components. Unusual noises. Strange sounds like banging, rattling, squealing, or popping coming from your furnace may indicate a problem. These noises can be caused by loose or damaged components, and a maintenance check can identify and address the issue. Uneven heating. If some rooms in your home are significantly warmer or colder than others, it may be a sign of an airflow or distribution issue. Maintenance can help identify and address problems with the blower motor or other components. Increased energy bills. A sudden spike in your energy bills without a corresponding increase in usage could indicate that your furnace is not operating efficiently. Regular maintenance can help ensure that your system is running at its best, saving you money in the long run. Frequent cycling. If your furnace turns on and off more frequently than usual, it may be a sign of a problem with the thermostat, airflow, or other components. A maintenance check can help identify and address the issue. Visible signs of wear or damage. Inspect your furnace for any visible signs of wear, corrosion, or damage. This includes checking the burner flames; they should be blue and steady, examining the heat exchanger, and looking for any rust or corrosion on components. Strange odors. Unusual odors, such as a musty smell or a burning odor, can indicate a problem with your furnace. A maintenance check can help identify and address issues that may be causing these odors. Carbon monoxide detector activation. If your carbon monoxide detector goes off, it's crucial to address the issue immediately. Carbon monoxide leaks can be deadly. Regular maintenance can help prevent and detect issues with the heat exchanger, which is a common source of carbon monoxide leaks. Age of the furnace. If your furnace is approaching the end of its expected lifespan, it's a good idea to schedule regular maintenance to keep it running smoothly. Older furnaces are more prone to wear and may require more attention to ensure safe and efficient operation. Lack of maintenance history. If it's been a while since your furnace had a professional maintenance check, it's a good idea to schedule one. Regular maintenance helps prevent problems and extends the life of your furnace. Remember that furnace maintenance is best performed by a qualified HVAC professional. Regular checks and timely repairs can help ensure that your Amana furnace operates efficiently, effectively, and safely.